With NSX Federation, a global manager can manage multiple local managers to provide consistent policy across different locations and regions. In this example here, this global manager is managing three local managers which are located in London, Paris, and SFO. Each of these individual locations are part of system created region, which could be location specific and global region. NSX Federation also allows you to group locations into a region, for example, Euro region for all European sites. Similarly, you can create Americas region for all Americas locations. First step towards NSX security is creating NSX group to group your application tier, or environment. With NSX Global Manager, you would be creating groups as before with the static or dynamic criteria. Only change is you need to select the region for the group so that Global Manager knows the span of the group or a scope of this group. In this example, I have some location specific groups, example groups in London. Similarly, groups in user specified region, Europe, and also a global group. Once you have this group defined, now user can define distributed firewall policies on Global Manager. Global Manager has three predefined categories: infrastructure, environment, and application categories to organize your global policies. Like groups, firewall policy creation is also by locations and regions. This allows the global manager to push only relevant policy to respective local managers. In this example, I have three infrastructure services policies defined, one each per location. The only difference between local manager and global manager policy is that here you have to apply to a region. Global manager will push individual policies to local manager based on the location or a region it is applied to. Environment policy. This is used to define zone to zone or inter-tenant policies. In this example, zone to zone policy is applied to global region. So this policy will be pushed to all the locations managed by this global manager. In this policy, I am leveraging global groups defined earlier. As NSX Federation allows you to define policy across locations, and interlocation control channel takes care of dynamically syncing group members across all locations. That way, policy is updated and applied to all the flows, including cross data center. Application categories to define application policies. In this example, one of the application policies is applied to London, while the other one to Euro region. Global manager will push individual policies to local manager based on the location and region it is applied to. In this case, first application policy is applied to only London, whereas second policy is applied to both London and Paris, which is part of region Europe. One of the other thing NSX Global Manager allows is real single pane of glass for policy management. This not only allows you to define global policies, it also allows you to switch to a local manager user interface. This essentially simplifies overall operations. Now let's look at the London local manager for the groups and the policy realization. London site has all the relevant groups created by the global manager based on the region. This global manager objects are identified by label GM and they are read-only on local manager. London site also got relevant policies from global manager based on what was applied to London location, Euro region, and globally. In this case, one infra policy, one environment policy, and two application policies got configured on London local manager. Let's look at the Paris local manager. Similarly, Paris location would have all the relevant groups and policies as applied to this location or Euro region or a global region. In addition to policy orchestration, the global and local manager auto-sync security policies based on configuration and workload changes. Group view members option provides details on group members and associated location from where it is learned. In this example, this group is associated with the Europe region and has three VM members from London with all the details about that particular VM. and 3 VMs are in Paris. Each of the location exchange the group member information between each other based on the span of the group. NSX Federation supports seamless workload migration between sites where the firewall policies move with workload and the control plane auto syncs between the locations. This is especially useful in disaster recovery or data center maintenance scenarios. For example, in this case, if the HRM application workloads moves from London to Paris via vMotion, the firewall policy moves with it. As you can see, the group members gets updated through autosync mechanism between the local manager to reflect new location of the application workloads. In short, NSX Global Manager provides single pane of glass to define consistent and dynamic policies across global data center locations.